Payroll software is a critical tool for any organization, but its true value is only realized when users are confident and competent in using it. Effective training ensures that employees not only understand the software's features, but also feel comfortable integrating it into their daily workflow. Without proper training, even the best payroll system can become a source of frustration and errors. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to train users on payroll software, ensuring high adoption rates and long-term success. Let's start by understanding why a thoughtful training approach is essential for lasting adoption. Before launching any training program, it's important to define what success looks like. Setting clear, measurable goals helps guide the training process and provides benchmarks for evaluating progress. For payroll software, goals might include reducing payroll errors, increasing processing speed, or ensuring compliance with regulations. By establishing these objectives upfront, you can tailor your training content to address the most critical needs of your users. This clarity also motivates learners, as they understand exactly what they're working toward and why it matters. Understanding your users is key to designing effective training. Different roles within your organization may use payroll software in unique ways. For example, HR managers, payroll clerks, and department heads might each require different levels of detail and functionality. Conducting a needs assessment or gathering feedback from potential users helps you identify knowledge gaps and tailor your training accordingly. This personalized approach ensures that every user receives the information most relevant to their daily tasks, increasing engagement and retention. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to training. Some users learn best through hands-on workshops, while others prefer self-paced online modules or live webinars. Offering a mix of training formats accommodates different learning styles and schedules. For example, you might provide in-person sessions for core payroll staff and video tutorials for occasional users. By diversifying your training delivery, you make it easier for everyone to participate and absorb the material, leading to better adoption across the board. When introducing new payroll software, it's important to begin with the fundamentals. Cover basic navigation, key features, and essential workflows before diving into advanced functions. This approach builds a solid foundation and prevents users from feeling overwhelmed. By mastering the basics first, users gain confidence and are better prepared to tackle more complex tasks as they progress through the training program. Users learn best when they see how payroll software applies to their actual work. Incorporate real-life scenarios and common tasks into your training sessions. For example, walk through the process of running a payroll cycle, correcting errors, or generating reports. These practical demonstrations help users connect the software's features to their daily responsibilities, making the training more relevant and memorable. Active participation is crucial for effective learning. Provide users with opportunities to practice using the payroll software in a safe test environment. Hands-on exercises, such as entering sample data or processing mock payroll runs, allow users to apply what they've learned without fear of making mistakes. This experiential learning builds confidence and helps users internalize key processes. Payroll systems can be complex, with many interconnected features. To avoid overwhelming users, break down complicated tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Use checklists, flowcharts, or step-by-step guides to walk users through processes like tax calculations or benefit deductions. This approach simplifies learning and helps users build mastery one step at a time. Visual aids such as screenshots, diagrams, and video tutorials can make abstract concepts more concrete. Incorporate these tools into your training materials to illustrate key points and demonstrate workflows. Visuals help users understand how different parts of the payroll system connect, making it easier to remember and apply what they've learned. Even after training, users may need reminders or quick answers. Develop easy-to-access reference materials, such as quick start guides, FAQs, or cheat sheets. These resources provide ongoing support and empower users to solve problems independently, reducing reliance on help desks and minimizing disruptions to workflow. Designate a few knowledgeable users as payroll champions within your organization. These individuals serve as go-to resources for their peers, offering guidance and answering questions. Payroll champions can also provide feedback on training, effectiveness, and help identify areas for improvement. Their involvement fosters a culture of support and continuous learning. Training shouldn't end after the initial rollout. Provide ongoing support through help desks, regular check-ins, or refresher sessions. This continuous assistance helps users stay up to date with software updates and new features, ensuring that adoption remains strong over time. Ongoing support also demonstrates your commitment to user success. Feedback is essential for improving your training program. Encourage users to share their experiences, challenges, and suggestions. Use surveys, interviews, or informal conversations to collect this information. Analyzing feedback helps you identify what's working well and where adjustments are needed, leading to more effective training and higher user satisfaction. To ensure your training efforts are paying off, establish metrics for success. Track key indicators such as error rates, processing times, and user satisfaction before and after training. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows you to demonstrate the value of your training program and make data-driven decisions for future improvements. Recognizing achievements boosts morale and encourages continued engagement. Celebrate milestones such as successful payroll runs, reduced errors, or high training completion rates. Publicly acknowledging user accomplishments reinforces positive behaviors and motivates others to participate actively in training. Payroll software evolves over time, with new features and updates being released. Keep your training materials current by reviewing and updating them regularly. This ensures users always have access to the most accurate information and can take full advantage of the software's capabilities. Encourage a culture where learning and improvement are valued. Support users in seeking out new knowledge and sharing best practices with their peers. A learning culture not only improves payroll software adoption, but also drives innovation and continuous improvement across the organization. Change can be challenging, and some users may resist adopting new payroll software. Address concerns openly by explaining the benefits of the new system and how it will make their work easier. Provide extra support to those who need it, and involve users in the transition process to build buy-in and reduce resistance. Motivate users to engage with training by offering incentives such as certificates, recognition, or small rewards. Incentives can boost participation rates and make the learning process more enjoyable. Tailor rewards to your organization's culture to maximize their impact. Make payroll software training a standard part of your onboarding process for new hires. Early exposure ensures that all employees start with the same knowledge base and reduces the learning curve. This integration also signals the importance of the software to your organization's operations. Break training content into small, digestible modules that users can complete in just a few minutes. Microlearning makes it easier for users to fit training into their busy schedules and helps reinforce knowledge through repetition. Short, focused lessons are also more likely to be retained over time. Incorporate game elements such as quizzes, leaderboards, or badges into your training program. Gamification adds a fun, competitive element that can increase engagement and motivation. Users are more likely to complete training and remember key concepts when learning feels like a game. Facilitate opportunities for users to learn from each other through group discussions, peer mentoring, or collaborative projects. Peer learning leverages the collective knowledge of your team and helps users build confidence by sharing their experiences and solutions. Regular Q&A sessions give users a chance to ask questions and clarify doubts in real time. These sessions can be held in person or online, and they provide valuable insights into common challenges and areas where additional training may be needed. Capture and share best practices for using the payroll software effectively. Documenting these tips helps standardize processes and ensures that all users benefit from the collective experience of your team. Best practices can be included in training materials or shared through internal communications. Payroll processing must comply with various legal and regulatory standards. Ensure your training covers compliance topics such as tax laws, data privacy, and reporting obligations. This knowledge protects your organization from costly errors and legal risks. Simulations are a powerful way to reinforce learning. Create mock payroll runs that mimic real scenarios, allowing users to practice end-to-end processes in a risk-free environment. Simulations help users gain confidence and identify potential challenges before they impact actual payroll operations. Offer training resources that users can access exactly when they need them. Just-in-time learning supports users in solving problems as they arise, increasing efficiency, and reducing frustration. Examples include searchable knowledge bases, video walkthroughs, or interactive help features within the software. When your payroll software is updated, provide targeted training on new features or changes. Highlight what's different and how it impacts users' workflows. Timely, focused training ensures a smooth transition and prevents confusion. Encourage users to take ownership of their learning by providing self-paced modules and resources. Self-learning empowers users to explore topics at their own speed and revisit materials as needed, leading to deeper understanding and long-term retention. Checklists are a simple yet effective tool for guiding users through critical payroll tasks. Provide step-by-step lists for processes such as onboarding new employees, running payroll, or submitting reports. Checklists help users stay organized and reduce the risk of missing important steps. Create an environment where users feel comfortable asking questions and exploring the software. Curiosity drives deeper learning and helps uncover hidden features or shortcuts. Encourage users to share their discoveries with the team, fostering a collaborative learning atmosphere. Ensure that all users can access training materials regardless of their location or abilities. Offer online resources, mobile-friendly content, and accommodations for users with disabilities. Accessibility ensures that everyone has the opportunity to succeed with the payroll software. Monitor user progress through training modules and practical exercises. Tracking helps identify who may need additional support and ensures that all users reach the required level of proficiency. Use progress reports to celebrate achievements and address gaps promptly. If your organization is multilingual, offer training materials in multiple languages. Multilingual support ensures that language barriers don't hinder adoption and that all users can fully participate in training. Highlight frequent errors and how to avoid them. Teaching users about common pitfalls in payroll processing helps prevent costly mistakes and builds confidence. Include troubleshooting tips in your training materials for quick reference. Incorporate real-time feedback tools, such as quizzes or interactive polls during training sessions. Immediate feedback helps users correct misunderstandings on the spot and reinforces learning. These tools also make training more interactive and engaging. Leadership plays a crucial role in driving adoption. Encourage managers to participate in training and actively support their teams. When leaders demonstrate commitment to the new payroll software, users are more likely to follow suit and embrace the change. Blend training activities with users' regular job responsibilities. For example, assign payroll-related tasks as part of daily work, or encourage users to apply new skills immediately. This integration reinforces learning and makes adoption a natural part of the workflow. Give users access to payroll experts who can answer complex questions and provide advanced guidance. Expert support ensures that users can resolve challenging issues quickly and continue using the software effectively. Track how many users are actively using the payroll software and participating in training. Monitoring adoption rates helps you identify trends, address barriers, and demonstrate the impact of your training efforts to stakeholders. Use data from user progress, feedback, and adoption rates to refine your training program. Data-driven adjustments ensure that training remains relevant and effective, addressing users' evolving needs and challenges. Highlight stories of users or teams who have successfully adopted the payroll software. Sharing real-life examples inspires others and demonstrates the tangible benefits of effective training and adoption. Let's recap the essential strategies for training users on payroll software. Set clear goals, know your audience, offer diverse training formats, encourage hands-on practice, and provide ongoing support. By following these steps, you'll foster high adoption rates and ensure your payroll system delivers maximum value to your organization. Training is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. By investing in comprehensive, user-centered training, you empower your team to use payroll software confidently and efficiently. Remember to keep learning, adapt to changes, and celebrate your progress. With the right approach, payroll software adoption will not only stick, but thrive, driving success for your entire organization.